Look, Moor, recording a deer live. This is the first time I ever got a chance to catch one. I've been trying to catch him more, and I finally did on this early morning, Moors. That's crazy, and it's super close up too. Deer ain't worried about me at all. It can sense that my energy is right. I'm talking and everything. She ain't ran nowhere. She's standing right there eating some grass, just letting me record her. Allah is beautiful, I tell you. Allah is beautiful. Allah is beautiful. Allah is beautiful. That's amazing. Thank you, Allah. I thought I'd never catch one of these deers like this. These deers love me. They always get close. Look, she coming over by. She coming over here by me. Come on, sweetheart. I'm not gonna hurt you. Come on. Come on. I'm not gonna hurt you. Come on. No. She ain't worried about nothing. She ain't scared of nothing. That's crazy. Look, she eating on the tree. Oh, that's what we supposed to be eating on? Like the animals know better. Like, yeah, y'all be eating that meat and all that old crap. That's something else. I really got a bond with Mother Nature, I'm telling you. I knew it. Y'all wouldn't see too many Moors or so too many people get this close to a deer and just stand there like that. Y'all gotta admit, Moor, I hit a lick on this one. I'm gonna let it take as much time as it needs to till she take off. She done went behind the bush. See if she gonna come back out for me. I'm gonna see if she gonna come back out here for me, Morris. She hiding behind the bush. She must have sensed I'm recording her. Yeah, she done went on ahead and took off. I'm telling you, boy. Alright. That's just a little short video of me recording a deer close up. Just to show proof how well I got a connection with nature. Yeah, she came close. Peace, Morris.